Just got some top from this stripper bitch. She's from Kankakee. I bought a Glock with a ruler clip. Boy, don't play with me, this bitch a hoe. Met her at the store, you know how it goes. She wanna smoke, so I bought some dope and took her to the O. Just got some top from this stripper bitch. She's from Kankakee. Just bought a Glock with a ruler clip. Boy, don't play with me, this bitch a hoe. Met her at the store, you know how it goes. She wanna smoke, so I bought some dope and took her to the O. We in the car, she don't live that far. She said she left her purse, and I ain't trippin'. You don't want a flare, so we can go there first. Rest of you, pull up to her spot. She